Complaining about y'all haircuts. Now y'all getting y'all haircuts. Go ahead in there. Excuse me, I need you to cut their hair.
Oh, no, I'm done for the night.
Look, please.
Oh, man. All right, yeah, I got y'all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Did they die in 2 days?
No, I took care of my pet goldfish.
Right here. Come on this side right here.
I got you.
Make sure you get that side.
I got you.
Boy, stop. Boy, stop. The front.
I ain't there yet.
Coming up next is my pick to win the contest. 47-inch vertical weight, Kamari Brown from Georgia Southern.
Come on.
Conoce casa,
Sit on up, sit on up, sit on up.
I'll be all the way back.
Don't forget that spot right there.
Can you go sit down?
My shoe.
I already got y'all together.
That'd be $40.
$40.
Yeah, $40.
The haircut they had before this look better than that.
Yeah.
No, we're not paying that. Come on. Come on. All right, y'all, let's go.
That's why I'm doing walk-ins, man.
Yo, it was a lot in this video right here. Oh my gosh, he already told him, yo, I'm done for today. He already done made his money. But out the kindness of his heart, as a good barber will do, out the kindness of his heart, he said, come on, you know what? Little man, little kids, come on, I got you. Then give him a good cut when he could have been doing whatever in the world he wanted to do. He could have been chilling, he could have been with his family, he could have been doing something else that felt more valuable at the time. He gives them good haircuts, and these are not even his customers. He might be running appointments and all, and no appointment. She has the nerve to tell this man how to do his job. I don't get it. I don't get it. Never cut hair one day in her life, and she's gonna tell this man how to do his job. That goes from anybody. I don't care, male or female. You can't tell this barber, no barber, how to do their job unless you cut as many haircuts as him, or even cut half of the haircuts that he cut. And most likely you haven't, because if you did, you wouldn't be there because you cut your own hair. It's so much to unpack in this video. 2 haircuts, 2 kids at $20 each. $40 is not bad. $40 for 2 kids haircut is not bad. You're looking out for the community. First thing she says, the other haircuts look better. You're not getting paid. You're not paying me for the haircuts. You're paying me for my time. You're paying this guy for his time. He could have been gone. He could have been with his family. He could have been doing something way more valuable in his life. And then he gets the short end of the stick by getting nothing for it. Wow. Hey, I like this presentation of this video. I'm going to link it back to the content creator. This is an example of what barbers deal with. Kids' haircuts ain't getting more expensive. It's not. We just want to get paid for the time that it takes. That's all. Let me know down below what you think. It's FadeMasterLos.